What's up, guys? Welcome to Trash Trackers. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have built here a Lego garbage truck side loader. Got a completely functioning arm, a packer blade, the back tips, tailgate opens, and the cab has some features too. It's about 1/34 scale, roughly the size of a first gear. And here it is compared to a minifigure. So not minifigure scale either. 8 studs wide. I'm going to give you kind of an overview of the truck itself, and then we'll go over some of the features and later in the video how I built it. To start. Okay, so up front here we have the cab. None of these components of the truck are based off of anything in particular or any truck or model in particular. I just kind of went for a Peterbilt or a CCC vibe up front. It's got a little bit of a grille there, the double windows. The arm extends, I'll show you that in a second. Over here we have the tailgate. This is a reference to the slow down to get around campaign. You can pop up in the tailgate. Go. Lift up the truck body, and then it latches on right there. Now the arm reaches out fully, you can grab a can. Bring it up to the hopper, tip it, bring it back down, and pull it back out. Inside you probably notice this thing. This over here is the packer blade. There's a little built-in little lever right there, so you can swoop the packer blade. And it goes back to about this part of the truck. Here's the cab. Top pops off, and you've got some space in there for two drivers, or a driver and a passenger, with some consoles in there. Other side has the fuel tank and the packer blade switch. Over here in the middle is just some greebling and some electronics. Over here is kind of like a motor. I built in some steps going up top. The grill is a pop-out. Lines up perfectly, actually. I put a few silver pieces right there so it works. And the headlights are integrated in. I like that because it gives the illusion that they wrap around. Hopefully you can see that. And the bumper is detachable. Underneath the truck, here's what it looks like. There's mud flaps over here. 6 wheels. And a relatively thin base. Now let's go ahead and see this thing in action. And then now in this part of the video, I'll go ahead and tell you about some of the specifics and ideas I had for this truck. It took me about, I want to say 25 to 30 hours to build. It was a weeks long process just because I had to buy some parts online. So for the grille in the front, like I said, it's a pop out, and then the bumper actually uses some tiles right under here, so it fits and it's flush. Rear view mirrors on the side, just clip right under. The motor fan right here, that was designed using a droid body from Star Wars, upside down, and it's stacked, and then I put a fin right there. Now the arm uses one of these old lift arm style hydraulics, and it has the two Technic rods going through. Connects to this part right here, which then goes down, and the grippers can come out. They're individual. This is connected to a minifigure staff, so it's able to rotate. This is Technic beam right here. In this way, the lift mechanism is able to stay up. It's smooth and tiled off wherever I could make it. Like I said, here's the mud flaps, and you may notice this little extra black space right there. That's so when the truck leans back, it doesn't snap off, and it has kind of a stopper. With the mud flaps, I put minifigure lightsaber blades in black into Technic pins. The packing mechanism, this is like an anti-jumper. I had it going through the truck and then sloped off the inside and smoothed it out. There's the tanks right there. And then these steps going up to the cab were pretty simple. Just stacked a couple of these modified 1x2s. Yeah, guys, overall, that's the truck. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I upload videos of garbage trucks and everything in the industry every Monday. So if you enjoyed the video and want to see more of this, hit subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week's video.